Hey everybody, it's Janice with Greeting to Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with this square-shaped bottle that I got at a thrift store. I am going to paint this bottle with some sage green, and I'm just going to paint the whole thing, the neck and all, including the bottom. So I just kind of stuck my finger in it and held it as I was painting it, and I just used a really soft paintbrush. And I ended up doing 2 coats, so this one light coat, then I let it dry completely, and then I added another coat. Once I had it all painted and it was completely dry, I'm going to take these stickers from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to take that bird at the top, and I'm going to add that to the center of the bottle. And these are clear stickers, so the background's clear. It's going to kind of blend in with the bottle. And then I had this little scroll corner piece. I'm going to put some glue on that, and I'm going to add that to the bottom right corner. And I dropped it, but that's okay because I'm just going to fix it and kind of place it where I want. And then I took a baby wipe and just wiped off the glue that I got when I dropped it because, you know, accidents happen. So once I have it all glued and that piece was dry, I'm going to take my antique wax and just go around all the edges of the bottle. And I did some over the sticker and around the little scroll piece that I put on. And I'm going to kind of do this around the whole bottle. And you can take a baby wipe or something and wipe off any excess if you don't like how dark or light it is. You kind of control what you want it to look like. I just really wanted this to look rustic and aged and sort of a vintage look. And get around the neck. And look at how cute that is. I love it. Next, I'm going to take some twine and I'm going to start wrapping it around the top of the bottle neck. So I'm going to just put a little bit of glue just to get me started, and then I'm just going to wrap this all the way around the whole neck. And just keep wrapping until I have the whole neck covered. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of glue to hold that on. Next, I'm going to take some more twine, and I'm going to wrap it into the front, and I'm going to tie it in one knot. And then I am going to slide, oh, actually I did 2 knots here. And then I am going to slide this key on. It's just a vintage style key. And then this vintage style clock face. And I get these on Amazon. So once I had the key on, I tied that also. I'm going to slide the clock face on. I'm going to slide that right next to the key. Then I'm going to tie another knot and then tie a bow. I'm just going to tie it into a bow. Get it how I want it to look, and then I'm going to cut off the excess. And then finally, because this is all done, I am going to put some faux baby's breath in it, and I got these at Hobby Lobby also, and just pop those in, or any other kind of flower that you want, and that is it. How super cute is this? I think it turned out amazing, and I love the vintage look of it, and I love how easy it was to make. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.